Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about the one more new concept, that is single source shortest path algorithms. Okay. Under this we are going to study the shortest path algorithm is identified by the Dijkstra's algorithm. Okay. Before going for the Dijkstra's algorithm, first we need to understand the concept, that how it is going to be work now. Okay. Just I will give one example here. We are having the one graph here. Okay, in this graph now we are having 1 2 and the 3 here. Okay, just concentrate here friends. 1 is directly connected to 2 here. Okay, its cost edge vertex value becomes the 2 here, but 1 is not directly connected to 3. Due to that reason, distance will be set to infinity here. Okay, but I need to connect 1 2 3 here via 2 here. Okay, plus just will repeat again. We are having one graph here. This graph is consisting the 3 vertices. One is directly connected to vertex 2 here, but one is directly not connected to 3 here, but I can reach 1 2 3 via 2 here. Once you reach that one, I need to relax that edge here. Okay, how we are going to find out? 1 is directly connected to 2 here. Due to that reason, the vertex 2 value becomes 2 here, but 1 is not connected to 3 here, but I can reach 1 2 3 via 2 here. How we are going to find out this one? Vertex value plus edge value. Okay, 2 plus 4. Okay, if it is less than the vertex value here, then I am going to add this vertex value as a 6 now. How that is the d of u plus d of u is 2 here, and cost of that edge u comma v will be 4 here. 2 plus 4 comma vertex value is infinity is there. Initially it will set to infinity. If there is no direct connection between the vertex, infinity, then 2 plus 6 will be 6 is less than infinity, so d of v becomes 6 here. Okay, similarly we are going to find out for this algorithm. Okay, initially I will take any one vertex as a single source here. Okay, single source, its value will be set to 0. Okay, 1 is directly connected to 2 here, 1 is directly connected to 3 here. 1, okay, 0 plus 2 becomes 2 here. 2 is less than infinity, 100% 2 is less than infinity here. Due to that reason, it will set to 2 now. 1 is directly connected to 3 here, its value becomes 4 now. Okay, now among 1, okay, 2 and the 3 values, 0 2 and the 3, 1 is already visited now, so 2 and the 4, which one is the minimum now? 2 and the 4, 2 will be minimum because other values are infinity. So second value I will take to the infinity. 2 here. 2 is directly connected to 4, 2 is directly connected to 3 here. Okay, 2 plus 7, how much will get? 2 plus 7 will be 9 here. 9 is less than infinity, so I will cancel to 9 here. 2 is directly connected to 3 here. It's vertex value is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 is less than 3 here, so we'll add 2 3 here. Okay, 3 among 3, 9 and 5 and the infinity and infinity, 3 is the minimum. Now we'll select the 3 as the next vertex here. Okay, 3 is directly connected to 5 and the 2 already visited 2 here, so 3 to 5 already its value is 3 here, and 3 plus 3 will be 6 now. It will be set to 6 now. Okay, now next minimum value is 6, infinity and the 9. Which one is the minimum? 6 is the minimum. I will take 5 as the next visiting node. Check now. 6, 5 and the now. Which one? 5 is connected to 6 here, 5 is connected to 9 here. Its value is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is less than 9 here, so we'll add this one to 8. 6 plus 5, 11. Directly we'll add to 11 here. Among 8 and the 11, which one is the minimum? 4 is the minimum. Okay, 4 you take this one. 4 is connected to 6 and 5. 5 is already visited. I will take as a 11 now. Now check this one. 4. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay, instead of taking 11 here, 9. At the end it will be visited to 6 here. Okay, how that shortest path is telling? First I visited 1. Then I move to 2 here. I move to 3. Then I move to 5 as a minimum. Then I reach to 4, and then I will reach to 6 here. Means all the edges are visited only one time here. Okay, this is called as a single source shortest path algorithm. You can find out 1 to 2 will be 2, and the 7, then 3 to 5, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5 is 3 here, 5 to 4 is 8, 8 to 6 is, sorry, this is 1, this will be 4 to 6 will be 1. Understand? Please check now. 3 to 5 is 3, which is our shortest path algorithm. How that algorithm works now? Check. As I said earlier, we are going to take the graph here. W will be the weights of the graph. S will be the initial single shortest path set here. Okay, initially it will set to null here. Add all the vertices into the queue. Okay, when the queue is not empty, then we are going to take the minimum of that queue here. We are going to take this one, then we are going to add into the single source here. Okay, once we added that one, we are going to find out for each vertex adjacent of V here, we are going to add the relaxation here, as I said earlier. Okay, how that relaxation will be done now? If d of u plus cost of that vertex is less than the d of v, then we are going to add that vertex and we are going to do the relaxation here. Okay, this algorithm is called as a Dijkstra's algorithm.